Hi guys, thank God we made it to 2021, and we also thank God for 2020. I'm bringing your way the top 5 best videos of Brother John comedy. We are starting with number 5, face mask wahala. Face mask wahala is all about the importance of obeying government rules.
Hey, stop there! Young man, hold it right there. And where is your nose mask? Young man is asking you a question. He said, where is your nose mask? I mean, we humans should be aware of this pandemic going on around the world, for God's sake. We should wear our nose mask and take hygienic precautions to slow down the spread of this COVID-19.
No. Are you trying to tell us that you don't have a nose mask? What do we do?
I mean, in his condition, what can we do? We have to let him go.
Let him go just like that without the nose mask? No!
Hey, young man, come back here.
Where do you think you're going? What kind of condition you're into that will make you not to have a nose mask?
No, it's okay. I mean, this kind of conditions, I mean, we don't see much like this every day.
What kind of condition is that you cannot afford those masks of 200 naira? No!
Let's just pardon him. Hey, listen to me, young man. We'll pardon you this once. But next time, get your nose mask. You see this? Yes, get it. So you can slow down the spread of this COVID-19. Do you understand me? And take hygienic precautions. Wash your hands regularly. You understand? So you can go. Thank you.
Hey, come here! Come here! Hey! Come here!
Hey, Brother John, what's happening?
Let me this for people.
What did you do?
Look at face mask. These people, they want to kill me.
Nose mask, Abba. Even after everything the pastor said on Sunday, you don't go out with your nose mask to work. Now, it's time for you to grow up, You're not a baby. Hey, and you started me,
I'm sorry. Please, can I get 500 from you?
To do what?
So when I get to junction, I'll get a face mask, please.
Oh, this is my 500 last card, though.
Please. Thank you.
We have nose mask, you know. Let me cover my own before they catch me.
Sit down, man. You know we are masked. Hey, Mr. Man, come here. Come here, my friend.
My friend, come here.
Are you normal?
Come here.
Huh? Are you alright? Where is your face? Your face mask?
Where is your face mask? Oh, why will come this street, Seth? Why will come this street?
Hey, come here, my friend. Will you come here? Come here. See, for isolation center, for upstairs, and there will they keep in time.
Now to Jack and they go.
I beg. Please, I beg. Don't take me there. Nothing where Musa no go forget. Please, don't take me there. No. So you dey talk. You dey talk. Now you dey stress us here since. This is fraud. No. Don't take it. No. Please, we can settle this in here, please. Bros, see, I'm a Christian. You can't take me to a solution center. See. You're a Christian. He's a Christian. I'm a Christian. We're all Christians. You're very lucky. You are very, very lucky.
Let's do everything here.
Listen, the only way we can start this matter is if you buy government mandated nose masks.
Okay.
Chicken now, nothing else. Oh boy, how many face masks come in there?
Man, check. Only one.
You see why I say you're very lucky? Give him 2,000 and collect it. Bros, 2,000. Hey, bros. This is so 200 naira out there. 200. No.
Welcome back once again. I hope you enjoyed what you just watched right now. Number 4, motivation gone wrong. This video will talk about the importance of thinking first before believing what motivational speakers are telling you. Avoid me.
Oga, can I go now? Young man, where did you say you are going to? I think I told you I'm looking for a job. You are looking for a job?
Yes, now.
At this your age, you are still looking for a job. Are you not ashamed of yourself? When your mates are out there sawing in their different careers, you are looking for a job in this 21st century. That is to say you don't know who you are. You don't know the person that is inside of you, but that is why I'm here. To tell you who you are. You are a man of valor. A man of substance. A man of caliber, timber, and sawdust. Are you shocked? I am a motivational speaker.
You?
Yes?
You were a motivational speaker?
Of course.
Hey.
I have been into this business now for over 30 years.
You?
Go and read your current affairs, you will hear about me. Hey, have you heard of Bill Gates?
Yes, now. How about Bill Gates?
Who is Bill Gates?
Bill Gates. Bill Gates is one of the richest men in this world today.
You are correct. Bill Gates is one of the richest men in the world today, but it did not happen overnight. His life changed when he came in contact with me. Many people don't know that Bill Gates is a dropout. Yes, I met Bill Gates when he dropped out of school. But when I met with him, his life changed. I asked him one question, just one. What can you do? And he said he was into computer a little bit. I said, bam, that was it. That was what I needed to push him into the world. I was the one that pushed Bill Gates into computer work and programming and all of these things you are seeing now. Now look at where Bill Gates is.
You?
It did not end there. Have you heard of Dangote?
Yes, now. I've heard about Dangote.
Tell me who Dangote is.
Dangote is one of the richest men in this Africa today.
You are right. But not just one of the richest. He is the richest. It did not happen overnight. When we crossed paths, Dangote life changed. My effort. I met Dangote in the street of Kaduna selling onion. Before onion got expensive today, that cannot buy onion. He was selling onion, selling sugarcane, selling makiawosa. I said, no, you are meant to be great. And I asked him this same one question. What can you do? And he said he can do sales and services. Bam! I said that was it. I pushed him into business. I said, no, go into business. Now look at where Dangote is in the world.
Okay. Motivate me.
That is what I'm called to do.
Okay, motivate me.
That is my calling. Now I will ask you the same one question. What can you do?
Oga, this is 10 years now. I finished school. I'm a graduate. I've been walking around this country, Nigeria. No job anywhere.
Exactly.
But I'm very good in tightening and loosening.
Tightening and loosening?
Yes, I'm very good.
That is it. That is what my spirit told me when I saw you. That is what I saw in you. Let me tell you, you are meant to be a mechanical engineer, handling big mechanical contracts around the globe, in charge of ships, planes, helicopters, and what have you. Throw away this certificate. Go into the world of engineering. You will come back to thank me.
Oga, you have brought out the real me out from me.
That is me.
I'm going out there to be an engineer.
Exactly.
I will shock the world.
Exactly.
I will shock the world.
Exactly.
In fact, I'm coming back here. When I come back, I'll shock you.
Exactly.
I will shock you.
I like men like
I will shock you.
But before you go, please, I beg, pay for this my granite and here.
How much?
Mother, how much? 150. I just give her 150.
Pat, take. Keep the change.
You
have motivated me. Keep the change.
You're a great man. A man that will change the course of this world.
Hey.
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 That is another man that has come in contact with me, and his life will never remain the same.
The generator did not spoil. How are you going to get fuel?
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, you have detected it by now. What are you still doing?
Madam,
just couple the generator.
I should couple the gen.
Just couple it.
Okay, couple the gen.
Madam, she called me. I should come and fix the generator. I checked the generator. The governor of the carburetor that allowing the flow of fuel to the senator was bad. Now, the president cannot hear again.
Oga, couple the gen. I'm so sorry, please. I didn't know. I thought
You should have asked questions now. You should have asked questions.
I should couple it.
Please couple it. Who would I have asked? There was no one.
I thought it not know where to get fuel.
I'm sorry, don't worry. It's a professional. You just fix it in less than no time.
Madam, I've coupled it.
Help me turn this fuel.
And put the fuel?
Yes, and start the gen.
You should have done this by yourself.
Oga, I paid you before the service. Please, just turn it and start the gen.
I should start it.
Start it.
Start the gen.
I don't like the way she's looking at me.
Oga, start the gen.
Madam,
Oga, start this gen.
you see that the gen
Please,
is not
start this gen.
starting. So the gen is not starting.
Go the Shay, you're seeing now. Shebi, you can see for
I'm
yourself.
sorry, please. I'm sorry.
Start
Oga, start the gen. Start the gen.
Cody, this is not fair. This is not fair at all.
How was I supposed to know that it was just fuel?
That was why I said you should have
At least I called a professional and not some quack out there. Please, start the gen,
I
okay?
have money to get the
Hey,
gen.
calm down. I have something bigger than this in my place. Calm down, okay?
Serious?
Please, can you just stop? I said I'm sorry. Couple the gen and start it. That's all we need.
That is what he's trying to do.
I don't like it.
Madam, you pass quarrel over this small gen.
Eh?
This I pass my neighbor.
Oga, is this gen starting or not?
From the look of things, madam, this gen will not start again.
Hello? Yes, it's Mr. Landlord. I'm landlord of one compound like that. You are the person that wrote your number on my wall. 10 Amadi Street, yes. Please, are you an electrician? And your hand is strong. Alright, come and fix my lights. Start coming now. I'm giving you 10 minutes because I don't have much time again. Just come. Thank you.
I hope you've not finished my credit too.
Finish with credit. You should be happy that I'm making call with your phone. I even have plan of dating you. What do you think?
You've started.
Started what? Let's go to the compound. You see all those bulbs at the backyard?
Yes.
They are all dead, including the lamp holders and everything. They are dead. Look at this one now too. It's dead too. So this one is more important to me because it serves at this frontage here.
Yes.
So, can you do it?
I can do it.
Good. How much will you charge me?
How much can you pay?
How much can I pay? You are the electrician. Now tell me your bill. Let me.
No. How much can you pay?
How much can I pay?
Yes. How much can you pay?
Let me give you 1,000.
1,000. It's too small.
How much do you want to take?
Oh, okay. Add something.
Add something.
Add something.
But 1,000 is good.
Add something.
Okay, go and start. I'll add something.
Let me start with this one first.
Start.
This one. Okay. Go.
Give me your bar. Let me go. So that you do a perfect job.
All right.
Young man, come. Are you an electrician or you a carpenter? You're measuring my building.
Please, sir, can you allow me to do my job?
Okay, do your job.
Let me have the bag. Please, sir, are you not going out?
How?
I don't like people looking at me when I'm doing my job.
You don't like somebody watching you when you're doing your job? What do you mean? I'm here to help and assist you. You're telling me you don't like people watching you? What do you mean? Do this thing, you're behaving. Come, are you not the person I called?
I'm the person.
So do your job.
Please, sir, excuse me.
Okay.
Is there light on this line?
There is light. Do I go and change it?
No, don't worry.
My friend, should I go and off the light?
No, don't worry. Where I land this job, we used to walk on top of wire.
On top of wire? You're a professional. Go on.
Do you have milk?
Milk? Which kind of milk?
Any milk.
Any milk? There's no milk. My brother, please come and help me. What happened to this young man? He was repairing my light. All of a sudden, what I saw was grrrr to this level. You don't mean to tell me he was electrocuted? Electrocuted? What nonsense? Aspiring young youth. See, let me tell you, do you know that you can rise from these ashes like a phoenix and be somebody great again? I am here to motivate you some more. It is not over until it is over.
Motivational speakers, avoid me.
You're welcome back once again. I believe you are enjoying the videos. We are bringing your way again. Number 3, Conning Baby Christian. Yeah, it's all about the disadvantage of seeing what people are doing that are wrong, and you too joining them in doing it. You will enjoy it.
Bros, how much money?
I'm gonna 250.
Okay, my bag is here. Let me go inside and collect money and give you.
For which side no?
My house here. Let me go inside and collect money.
Do fast though, I beg.
Okay.
Oh, they are there for work now. No, which kind of wahala be all this one time. The person they work, I don't know they do all these things. This time where this man dey now? Oga, hey. Bros! Chairman, oh! This kind nonsense be this. Bros! Bros, I beg no verse.
I know.
You get one mama just drop for keke now we enter house. You see am?
You pass this road.
He pass say one go give me money. I just drop am now for keke.
See this road? A bus out to the next junction.
You know me now?
All these keke people say. So he just drop you here. Or how did it happen?
I just carry the man now. Drop him say one enter house go pay me keke money now. He drop he goes with me.
Let me see what is inside it.
Hey now. Yeah, man, I do for when just buy. I just carry am now from junction. Go drop here.
Open it.
I do for when just buy.
Not serious.
Hey, which guy wanna be this now? Which guy still be this now? You know where they get this man from? I'm a kind of people say man carry only am.
Yeah.
Why do they do people like this? It's just that go punish you. I don't mark you without your big head. I go catch you one day. Go punish you. You go see. I'm a kind of people say man carry only come drop here a drop.
All these keke people. Somebody will just drop you here. Tell you that you should wait for him here. He's coming, and you waited. These keke people. I wonder the young people will be wise. How young people you people will be wise? Wow. But wait to. It's a nice business.
I'm done.
You're done.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, nice barber. This haircut is fine.
Thank you, sir.
You're timing. This guy, you are good. Very strong hand. Look at the haircut. Oh, this is awesome. This your haircut, sir. Now how much?
Just 200. 200.
200.
Yeah.
Just 200.
Yes, sir.
With this fine haircut like this. Jesus. Oh, wow. 200 naira. Yeah, keep this 200 naira. Yes. 200. That was with 500 naira. I can't find my 500 naira. Oh. Do you have POS here?
POS. I know they do POS also. You know?
I bet. Is there any way I can collect from POS around?
POS they front now, but that was the concern.
No problem. It's okay. See, this is food that I bought this morning.
What's that?
Food.
Okay, just keep it for me here. Don't open it. Just keep it here.
Phone, the phone.
Yes, it's phone. I'm coming now. Let me just withdraw money from QS. I'm not problem.
Yeah, no problem.
All right. Thank you.
This guy's got me, oh. Jesus Christ. This guy's got me.
How much my food?
600 naira.
600?
Yes.
Okay. You got POS?
No.
Okay. You want POS down that junction? Then let me go and withdraw money and come back and give you, eh?
Madam, me too.
Don't be wahala this morning. See problem, oh. Come. Now wetin I come ahead this morning to do? Two guys just dropped their bag. That they're coming, they went to POS. Both of you again this morning. And tell me that, come, this food that they said don't turn to POS food.
Madam, see, I'm a responsible person here. Look at my bag here. Let me just go back there, withdraw the money and come back and pick my bag and pay you. That's all.
Okay, then pay me my money, feel me like me.
Madam, listen, I'm a Christian.
No. My devil.
Please, let me just follow him to that POS and withdraw money and come. Listen, see, my bag is here. I will not run from your shop.
Look at my bag now. My bag is here, madam.
It's just simple.
Why are you so harsh on me today?
Okay, see me see wahala. This morning, two guys just came here to drop their bag that are coming. Let them go to ATM. Both of them have ate again and dropped their own bag that they want to go to ATM to bring money. My food has turned to ATM food. Which cannot be that one?
Say when I don't want pay, Abuna no get money.
No, bro. See, I'm a responsible person here. Look at my bag. I want to go to that POS there.
I said pay now.
Let me withdraw the money first and come back. Look at my ATM here.
Wait. Waiting they inside those bags, Seth.
My goose.
Egbero, search those bags.
No. You don't search my bag now. For what?
Egbero, search those bags.
Wait. See, bros. Let me go with your money and come back.
Okay, give me my money.
No, bros. Let me go and come back now.
Send me my money.
Egbero, search those bags.
Come back.
Over, stay there.
See, come back. Let me come back.
Latifah, see them. See what you carry for my shop.
Welcome back again. I believe you are enjoying the videos you're watching. We're bringing your way number 3, Christmas Wahala. Christmas Wahala is all about the importance of giving, and when you fail to give rightly, the things that happens at the end, you will enjoy it. The way I'm looking at you right now, it's like you will purge for 600 years. 600 years.
You sabi the season where we dey.
Brajan!
Rajan!
Yes! Sister Good. Sister, brother Emma. You are lifted though. You are lifted.
Roger, what happened now? You left church early.
Yes, so something urgent came up, so I have to rush for it. Today's service was powerful.
Very powerful.
I have never had pastor minister in this manner before.
It was awesome.
He was on fire.
Chijare. I'm married, especially that part we was preaching on in this festive period, that we should share everything we have to people.
That's right.
There's one point you mentioned. He said, blessed is the hand
That give it.
that giveth than the one that receives.
The thing touched me, eh? Hi.
My brother. Hey. Oh, I was like, hey, I wish I have.
It's well.
Had it been I have, and I've been sharing it to all my fellow brethren. Even if you have
₦1.
you have enough to give.
The word touched me.
In fact, today pastor was on fire.
Brother John, are you cooking?
For where? Anything, no.
There's this aroma I'm perceiving though.
Like grilled chicken and fried rice. Grilled chicken.
no, it's not from here. No, even me too, I'm perceiving the same.
Roger, let me just say.
No, sister. You're not turning your nose very well. If you're turning your nose very well, you will perceive that this aroma is coming from my landlord place. That man, since this Xmas, this man has been cooking and drinking and eating.
Roger, let me just check it.
Mr. Good, calm down. You see in that house, there is no water. No water.
Roger, just water.
Nothing is inside this house. Nothing.
Let's start going to Brother Imo's house.
Okay.
Because Pastor said we should be visiting our brethren,
Yes.
love, and sharing in what they have. Let's start with Brother Imo's.
Thank you.
Brother,
Will you join us? I will join you later. I will join you. When I come out, I will call you on phone.
the important thing that brought you home, have you done it?
I've done it. I'm still on it.
God bless you.
All right.
Merry Christmas.
Same to you. I will join you here.
Okay.
See this brethren, oh. Hey, this small fried rice and chicken I want to use and enjoy myself in this festive period. What they want to come and finish it and leave me on hunger. But thank God, God did not shame me. Nonsense.
Hey! If you move, I will increase your heart rate. Where do you think you're going? Nonsense. What is this thing you're having in your hand? It's what?
It's fried rice.
You see how you behave? Now you have started cooking rice when me and my family have not eaten. Open it. Look at Abu Bakar. Bro John. So you have the guts to cook rice, Abi? You are now eating rice when me and my family have not eaten.
You are the lover of this house. You are the one that's supposed to give me food to eat.
Is it not when you pay house and then I cook rice and feed you? Let me test it first.
No.
Hey!
You don't have to test this thing, no.
You will not like me.
You want to test the rice? This is not good, oh, landlord.
What is not good? No, what is not good? It will be good when I'm done testing it. Nonsense. And if I test it, this and the rice is not sweet, you still pack out. Abu Bakar. So this one is a hotel rice. This one is a hotel rice. You have the guts to buy rice from hotel and it must be expensive. Is it you?
That one is enough now.
Give me.
This is not good now. This is not good now.
It will be good later. Nonsense. It will be fair.
What kind of nonsense be this now? I want you to Christmas rice again in your compound.
Don't you know that in Christmas like this, you need to put your landlord first? You should put me first. Nonsense. You see how these boys, if you don't take care with them, they'll play with you. Hotel Christmas rice. Happy New Year, everybody. John, do you have cold water? If you like, don't blame for me. I don't care. Let me go home.
Landlord.
John, so we are running. You think I will not see you? You bought chicken and you think I will not know?
How do you locate me here now?
My dear, this is my compound. There's nothing hidden under the sun. Can I have the chicken?
Okay, Lolo, you want to eat this one again?
My dear, if you make more than this, if you make noise more than this, see, watch. This is your quick notice. I'll summon it to you. Come on, give me the chicken.
What have I done to deserve this now?
You have done so many things.
Okay, Lord. You're eating my chicken.
Listen. Your landlord should celebrate Christmas before you. How about that?
This is not fair, oh.
It should be fair.
Okay, this is not fair, oh.
It will.
Someone will not enjoy again in your compound.
Listen, we are talking of December. And landlord should be first before tenant. You see, my chicken. You see how you're behaving? Problem. You're a wrong man. Meet me at the front page so that you take your tray. Wrong man.
No problem. I'll do you something.
Who's that? Brother who?
Landlord. I'm very sorry for the delay.
What's that thing?
I'm gonna, I'm supposed to give you gift first. Christmas is time for giving and receiving. I've learned my mistakes. So this is my Christmas gift. Take.
So you now have sense. You see how you behave?
I'm sorry for
all that time I was collecting rice and chicken from you were crying. You were supposed to kill one full chicken for me, but I forgive you. No problem. Okay. What's this thing?
It's juice.
Juice. Put for me.
Put for you.
Food they call. See, if you can be doing things like this, will I have problem with you? Will I have problem with you?
It's sweet, right?
Abubakar. Let me have the remaining. You can go.
Let me couple it for you.
Couple and go. Did you buy it in supermarket?
Yes.
Go get out. Get out. You can get out.
Enjoy yourself, yeah?
Oh, see juice. This boy is an idiot. He know he will give me this thing. He's delaying it. Let me enjoy myself. Yeah, Okachi. Come and put this inside fridge for me.
Landlord, I thought you were supposed to be going for end of the year landlord meeting.
End of the year will kill you. End of this year will kill you. I was on my way to that meeting. Getting to the meeting, all of a sudden Purge came up. And since you entered my compound, you have not given me food before. You have not done that. Did you put anything in that nonsense you brought? That juice you brought for me, did you put anything inside? I what?
I put small.
Small? What is the small?
Yeah! I put pod medicine.
Pod medicine?
Yes.
For me?
Okay, let me warn you. When next you see me eating this compound, avoid me.
Avoid you.
The way I'm looking at you right now, it's like you will purge for 600 years.
600 years.
Welcome back again. We're on the number 1 top 5 countdown. The best of it all. End SARS Wahala. There we talk about the importance of putting on your bulb at night because of poor security here to avoid interference from all these hoodlums. It's very funny. You will enjoy it.
Uchechi. Tina. Ken. They've ended SARS. SARS have come. They've gone. So I don't know the new security they will bring this time again. So and you know this small thief, picking pocket and all these upcoming hand robbers. I think they will see it as an advantage to be entering people's compound now. So what I'm saying is we have to be security conscious. That is the reason for this meeting. And last night I discovered that none of you, all your bulbs, all of you, your bulbs were not shining. What is your problem? You don't unbulb again. No, you don't unbulb. We have to be security conscious. What's your problem?
Oga landlord. This one you are talking about security. But you too, your own bulb is not on at night though.
My dear, keep quiet. My bulb got burned yesterday and I'm buying new bulb today. So don't tell me that my bulb is not shining and your own will not shine.
Me too, my own is burnt.
Your own is burnt?
Yes.
Tina, how about you?
Even me, my own got burnt too.
Ken?
You too.
You too? So all of you now, my bulb burn and your bulb too are burn. Is it a coincidence? No, what's your problem?
Maybe now God do it.
Now God do am. God did it. God burn our bulb. God, thank you for burning our bulb. It's okay. It's okay. In that case, all of you will bring money so that I'll go and buy bulb for everybody, including myself.
Oga landlord. Ordinary bulb that we can buy by ourselves. We should bring money again.
Ordinary bulb that you can buy by yourself? What do you know about bulb? Go and bring money. You're telling me ordinary bulb?
Landlord. This is your compound now. You should be the one buying the bulbs.
Okay, this is my compound.
Yes.
I will give you house, give you toilet inside it, and shower. I'll still give you bulb. Clap for yourself.
Oga landlord, Uchechi is right. Even if we are to buy bulb, why will you buy bulb for us? Let's buy the bulb by ourselves.
My dear, keep quiet. What do you know about buying bulb? Do you know original bulb? Can you buy original bulb? Look at your hair. You're already having fake hairs on your hair. So to go and buy me fake bulb like your hair. If I check your armpit now, you have fake hair inside it. Nonsense. Go and bring money before I change it for you people. Want me to notice you? Nonsense.
Oga landlord, stop shouting. This one you're shouting now will not stop anything. Just tell us how much is the bulb.
1,000. Yes.
1,000.
Original bulb.
For ordinary bulb.
Landlord, are we buying electricity pool?
Ken, are you bringing the money now or not? Are you bringing it or not?
Oga landlord, see what me I can give you now is 100 naira. That's what I have.
Bring it. I'll buy you 100 naira bulb.
Oga landlord, what I have is 200 naira.
I'll buy you 200 naira bulb.
Buy it.
Landlord, me I have 50 naira.
You're giving me 50 naira?
Landlord, this is what I have.
And you are serious? No problem. I'll buy you candle. End of discussion, In the next 30 minutes, come out and take your bulbs. Please, I'm done with you. You can go.
Okay.
Ken, you can go. All of you, you can go.
Stop shouting now. I thought you're shouting at somebody.
Look at. John, come here. Look at. You're hiding. No, you're peeping the compound, Abi.
Okay, landlord.
You were not in the meeting.
How can you call me meeting with those ladies?
What do you mean? Why would I call you meeting with ladies? John, are you not my tenant?
Okay, by now, you should have made me the caretaker of this compound.
Look at you. Says who? Says who? How many years have you stayed in this compound?
Landlord, to stay in a compound 5 years is not a pencil.
Now, Beans, listen to me. Until you stay 12 years, then I'll make you my caretaker. Nonsense. Are you telling me that Ken that attended that meeting is an idiot?
Ken? Who be Ken? That behave like women.
No, you behave like a man. You're a man. Listen, if not that, you are one of my tenants that doesn't give me headache. I would have punished you. What's your problem? Listen to me. We discussed about Bob. That was the meeting for today. Bob? So everybody has contributed money for Bob, except Ken that gave me 50 naira. I'll also punish him.
You know I said Bob now.
You said Bob?
You know now.
Hey, I thought it's a DVD and electronics.
I sell Italian Bobs.
Italian Bobs?
Original Bobs.
Adechi.
Very affordable.
Hey, just like that.
Yes now. I even have Infinity Watt Bulb.
In your shop?
Put it outside here. It will cover all this environment. As cheap as 50 naira.
Abubakar. See security. See security. It's okay, no problem. I trust you. What will happen is he said they are cheap.
Very cheap.
And that means I'll still have change for a charge card.
Yes now.
But start coming to meeting. Start coming to meeting.
I'll start coming to meeting.
Let's go and have it.
Alright.
This is your shop, Abi?
This is my shop.
I'm going to go and bring the bulbs.
See the bulb here now.
Which one of the bulbs are here?
These are Italian bulbs.
These ones?
See this bulb? Very active bulbs.
I was thinking you would go inside and bring bulbs. These things I'm seeing here, are they the Italian bulbs?
These are Italian bulbs.
It's okay, no problem. Which one is the Infinity this thing?
Look at this one. This one is 100 watts. Look at this one. This one that I had screw. So it's 200 watts. Yes. Oh, look at this one. This one is infinity watts.
Infinity watts.
Put it outside. It shines till infinity.
Just like that.
Just like that.
So how much is the total figure?
200 naira.
Don't deceive me, John. See one looking at you, you look like who will deceive me.
Lord.
People paid for this bulb. Oh. I don't want to hear story.
I will not cheat you.
Package it. What kind of a headache is this? See, this bulb is not lighting.
Oga Lord,
Huh?
what kind of bulb is this? Now it's not working.
Your own bulb?
Eh.
Let me see it.
That's it.
Give me.
Oga landlord,
Huh?
what kind of bulb is this one now?
Your own too?
It's not.
Abubakar. Give me, let me see. Give me.
Landlord, what did you buy for us now?
Get your own too.
It's not working.
Hey, what kind of problem? This is a temptation, no? It's okay, it's an Italian bulb, eh? I'll go and change it.
Italian.
Just go home and sleep like a baby. I'm coming.
Italian.
Okay, now, please don't
2 minutes, 2 minutes. John. People will know that I bought this thing cheap. Look at. John, what is this?
Okay, Lord, what happened now?
What did you say for me?
What happened?
Are you crazy? These bulbs are fake. The whole bulbs are fake. The whole bulbs are fake.
Okay, Lord, these are Italian bulbs. They hardly fail. What happened to the bulbs?
You will die in Italian. Italian will kill you. That I bought bulb from you. Everybody is returning their bulb that the thing is not lighting, including my own. You're telling me Italian. What is Italian?
Calm down. What happened to the bulb?
I went home with the bulb. I plugged it. The bulb did not light. That is what happened. So to everybody.
Okay, this bulb, did you plug it first before you on the switch? Or do you on the switch first before you plug the bulb?
What kind of stupid question is this?
I know I'm asking you. You have to answer me.
Okay, I on the switch before plugging.
You on it first?
Yes.
So fault now.
Is whose fault?
You have blown the bulb.
I blow the bulb.
You have blown the bulb.
So what are you saying?
Okay, Lord, this bulb is a sensitive bulb.
What do you mean?
This bulb, before you plug it, you off the switch first.
So what are you saying?
Buy another one.
I should buy another one.
Yes, now.
No problem. Are these ones the same thing?
They're the same thing.
Infinity
wattage.
Package it.
That bulb is more like that one.
Abubakar. John, listen. I hope this thing will not happen again. How much did I pay you that time?
200 naira.
Take. I don't want to hear story.
Okay, Lord, listen very well, This bulb, they are sensitive bulb. Before you plug the bulb off the switch,
my friend,
do not say I did not tell you.
Okay. And let me tell you, if I come back here with this same complaint, you will not like me. Look at thief. You will not like me if I come back again.
Landlord, when did you talk? Where did you say buy this thing from? That side.
That side.
Oh yeah, take us there. Move there, go.
Let's go.
Take us there.
Get, stop touching me! How much did you pay?
Let's go. 50, yes, let's go.
I'll give you quick notice. This is idiot.
John,
this is idiot.
You? Okay, Lord.
So you did not come to for this money, but you want to involve money, have you?
Close your mouth there.
Don't tell me to close my mouth.
My friend, keep quiet. You sold rubbish.
The bulb fail you again.
What is the bulb fail again? You sold rubbish. I'm telling you. You're asking me the bulb fail again.
so you're the one that sold those rubbish bulb to us.
What do you know about bulb?
If I not you,
What do you know about bulb? I sold Italian bulb to Oga Landlord.
Italian bulb kill you. Listen to me. All those bulb you sold was rubbish. And the whole of that bulb, no one was lighting. Nonsense!
Calm down. That bulb may have failed you as an Italian bulb. But listen. Oga Landlord, listen. I have Japanese original bulb.
Japan what?
Japanese original bulb.
Japanese original bulb?
Yes. I'm giving you my word. If that bulb fail you, beat me.
Go and bring it.
Look at it. Japanese original bulb.
Test it first.
You got test. Is it lighting?
I don't see any light.
John. Why is this one not lighting?
I don't know.
You don't know. You don't know. Okay, in that case, we're not buying again. Since you don't know, can you refund us our money?
I've used it and eat biscuit.
You get biscuit with our money. John, come out. Come like this! Look at it. Finish him.
Thank you. Thank you for watching that funny videos from Burajon Comedy. I believe you enjoy what you just watched right now. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please comment, like and share this video. Also on the comment, don't forget to drop your best video from Burajon Comedy of the year 2020. Please, and also comment the area that you need us to improve, so that this year 2021 will give you more funny and best video that you will enjoy. We love you and we love you.